is my shoe? Where is my clothes?
We dey welcome una come this program where we dey call Area Tori. Area Tori na the program where they come to una from Procyon radio and television. We dey bring better tori for different area. Abeg, if una dey watch us for the very first time, make una subscribe, like, share, and also drop una comment for this video. We dey for different social media handle. We dey for Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. We also dey for YouTube. And then if you dey watch us for the very first time, abeg no forget subscribe. Make you subscribe. God go bless you. We get better tori wey we go carry come give una today. And the topic today wey we wan talk about na man wey talk say sell our baby to me. So I get better people for studio wey we go talk together this special day. I get Gloria Enoch for house.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.
I also get Evelyn Harry.
People now, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.
All right, my name is Sarah Agbo. Make una dey dey with us abeg so that we go finish this story. The story be say man talk say make the woman, a wife, sell the baby to am. How it happen? This particular lady, na black lady, na Nigerian lady she be. So you can't get this Chinese man. You know, say then they get contract, then go come Nigeria, come do their work. As they come Nigeria, come do work, now you come fall in love with this particular lady. As they love, they shag them, they go. The lady believes say every day okay. And then she agree, she carry belle for the man. After she don't carry the belle, come born this pikin. They come be say the man contract don't finish. The problem where I get with these people be say many men know they tell the ladies whether they go soon go, whether they no go soon go. And then the ladies again come they feel say, since I don't get a foreigner, white man, whether not from where or anyhow way be, I don't get person wey be say no be Nigeria him be. My life done better. So the lady come fall in love, so come born this pikin for the man. The man come tell and say, as he be now, my contract don't finish, I want go back. And as I want go back, I no want go with you. But I want carry our baby, make I carry and go. Then the lady come tell and say, if you carry your baby go, I don't know where you dey, and I don't know as it go be for me. So but wetin go happen be say, at least make we dey connected so that you go know where pikin dey, me I go know, you go dey take responsibility as father. Now the man say, if na that one be your problem, kukuma sell the pikin to me. Me I go give you money, I go buy the pikin so that I go carry and go. Now the lady run with the pikin. She no gree, she say no. E be like say this man, he get something where he want take this my pikin do, or I don't know. Now so the lady come carry the pikin run go. So my people waiting for studio now. The thing where would they look now be say some of this kind of thing where they happen. Why it they happen and why would they allow them happen? No say so many of us they feel say na better life we need as young girls when they come up. I need better life. I see you I just run enter inside. I don't even know how you go end. To see as this one can't end now.
You see, my people, I greet you now. Good morning. We don't come again. Now don't hear this story where we bring up. The lady now, she for herself, she be no say now so the thing go end. Because some of our children self, if they don't see white man, if you approach them, then they accept them. If they're good for some, no, they're good for some. But this one own Japanese man or Chinese man, maybe get wife for your own country. And as you don't come get pikin from you, so and instead you say, I no go carry you go, but I go carry pikin. And now this one is, as you see so, you for enter agreement with Anseto. This one where you won't carry pikin go, you won't leave me behind. How we go do like this? And you see say, you no accept like that. You don't want anything we go be say, they take care of pikin, make me I dey here, make you they send money, or make me man, I dey know where my pikin dey. You just want carry the pikin, vanish. Now what the man want to be that? So what thing I want now, make our people too, where the girl like say get sense through if we go meet authority, because at least for this Nigeria we get places where people, if some kind of thing happen, you go run to. If you run, what I advise her, make sure she carry the pikin, not just go hide it like that. Carry that pikin, go meet the people where you know say them go help you. Because for this our Nigeria, we get people where they help people if they get this kind of problem. Make them talk. If the man go carry take responsibility of that pikin, or if the where the pikin dey, our government go know where their pikin dey. They no go comot hand leave you like that, because if they no help you, this matter you no go fit do am only you. So na the advice wey me I give you be that, go the right place so that dem go help you, make you for know where dem go carry this your pikin go. And before you go carry your pikin go, the government ma go advise you what to do. They go even tell you what to do more than the one wey you know, even more than the one wey we dey tell you so. So na wetin I see say e for do be that, because for this our Nigeria, dem dey help. As we get this problem, so no carry the baby run. Go out, comot, go where people go help you, and they go even advise you what to do, because there are people there wey dey wait for this kind of thing. If it happen to a person, then they help the person. So na the advice wey I get for you be that.
My people are the great o, as e don happen wey she don get belle. The problem we get be say Nigeria, if you see white person, even if na man see am or na woman see am, if we see white person, the way we go dey behave na different. We want to dey worship them. They are normal human beings, like na people wey get blood like us.
Only the
Everything na only color differentiate us.
You know, say Nigerians believe say suffer dey for here. So no be the color be the
No be
problem.
say
Na the country where they come from, na it be the problem.
e get the color too
That
inside.
japa wey
So
you dey hear,
the matter be say,
I don see who go carry
you.
you comot.
They no
As
go
you
carry
don
you.
see,
No be all they carry.
you don't ever see how white man, as they come here, I see two. If you see how people they take turn, you
They
know,
look them.
they turn look them. You understand? They get one thing where we say they attach themselves to them.
them.
Now, as she can't attach herself to this one, e no can't give her anything. Na pikin can't give her. What is she go come do now with this pikin? As he tell her say make she sell the pikin, she no gree. Wetin she want? Now the question where she go carry that question go the right channel wey go help her. As my mommy talk, she no go fit fight this war na beyond the border. E don go to another country.
Yes.
How they go take this man, make this man take responsibility of him pikin? Things dey happen. We know say even for here within our country, all these we get situations like this, and we get appropriate organization where they handle this kind of thing. So definitely to help the pikin, they feel look for organization where will carry this matter for head and look for lawyers wey go help her fight for this child. As she don't do the mistake already, as everything no come work.
The way she thinks
the way she thinks it will happen. So now to carry the matter go government is, and to advise to talk to our women, more una they follow gently. Una they see people like this. Now what carry them come here? Know how they no go stay here. Now what carry bread carry them come here as they finish they go carry themselves waka go. So what you wanna the think say other person will come with a magic you go do we go make the person stay. When na work carry and go, if work carry go somewhere now you go carry yourself go there, work finish, come back. Now so wetin carry and come there.
Most of them where you they see evening, they get their wives.
Their wife and children.
For there. You go see elderly person like that. Wey come work. You young person, you go think say you go fit enter them like that. Those people then they keep promise. If they get wife, it is hard for them to leave their wives because they know say the past few years they don't do finish. They will go back, go meet their family, and go easy for them to carry you black from here, go join you with there. They know they do that kind. Say now 2 wife I get, or now 3 wife I get. You understand? They easy for them. So that's the reason why if they finish like that, they will tell you say then they go and they no go like to carry you and pikin go there. Shock their or break their wife hearts. So any woman where they see any white man will come here to work, make una careful.
Yes.
No carry una whole self put inside. And the problem where our children get be say as you dey do the relationship, some of them their parents know they know, and some of them if their parents know, their parents go say life don better, hold the man well. You understand? So come put your pikin inside trouble. You see wetin we dey cause am for ourselves. So parents dey encourage. So with this one now, we no get plenty time, and then we wan just round up the program like that. As we don already talk, our advice also dey inside the talk when we talk. So I want to say thank you for coming, Gloria Enoch, and also thank you, Evelyn Harry. My name na Sarah Agbo. Make una dey shine like the star where una be.
Baby, my salary.